respected members. Today I am presenting the topic atomic iris recognition by using the Gaussian pictures. My topic related what is meant by a biometric concept, and within that we have to concentrate about an iris by using the algorithm Gaussian features. Biometric is crucial when it's come to personal identification verification in forensic application, and the automatic iris recognition methods and majority commonly used in biometric features in biometric identification. This is a study, analysis, evaluation of iris recognition system with a detail with and computer techniques with perspective and special focus on iris. We have developed the biometric system by using the iris modality. In this paper, describe a complete localized method to analyze the pupils and iris confined within an histogram. To segment, develop the finding the polar alteration toward the demising approximation time and efficiency methods. The features vector generation with an Gaussian method. So system is determined the 3 iris database. A perspective system has a comforting the recital. The system is given the comprehensive precision as a 96.20 as accuracy, and FAR is 4.20 and FR is 5.43. Main important, what is the iris? Iris recognition is a method of biometric identification and authentication that use the pattern recognition technique based on a high resolution image to the iris divided in eyes. It's considered with the most accurate biometric technologies available in today. So when we can iris, what are the parts including in iris? So that is pupils, cornea, then cerebral muscles, optic disc, optic nerves, and retina and sclera. So and there is required the retina blood vessels. So iris is with a circular diaphragm which lies between the cornea and the lens of the human eye. The iris perform the close and center by and circular artery is known as pupils. Function of iris control the amount of light entering through the pupils. So iris consists number of the layers below the there is a lot of layer is there. So within we have to concentrate on to whatever the requirement using the techniques. So we can Gaussian method can be used. The destiny of the stem of pigmentations and determine the color of the iris. The externally visible surface of the multi-layers iris contain a 2 zones and which often differ in colors, and outer cellular zones and inner pupils zones, and 2 zones are divided by the Kelvin which appears in zigzag pattern. So when we can use there is an iris there is a lot of pattern is required, and main important thing is what is the advantages when we can using the iris. There is a lot of advantages related to fingerprint, voice, signatures and face, but most important thing is the iris there. So the security purpose is very high as compared to fingerprint, as compared to voice, as compared to signature and face and palm, because in fingerprint people are edit something, so there is many way the people are changing and do the some insecurity purpose people are using there. But iris is difficult to detect, means it is difficult to make a duplication of pattern of the iris. So what we can say that is a very high security is using for the iris. So many purpose today is used for the ATM when we give the password for the server, so it is the best way to we can use for that. When we can use a method for iris recognition system, there is a active and passive. There is a 2 type of method to identify the iris. The active iris system is required to use anywhere from the 6 to 14 inches away from the cornea. The passive system allows the user to anywhere from the 1 to 3 feet away from the camera that located and focus on the iris. So when we can use a iris recognition system, so we make a architecture for that. So image acquisition first is important, so that we can take the image. There is a instrument required to acquisition, then we can need that segment your image. So segmentation technique is image processing, there is segmentation technique there. So then after what we can use the normalization, when we can take the image, so that it is required, it should be the normalized. And next important thing is feature points for the iris recognition. When one iris and second one another person, we take the image of second person of iris. How we can distinguish when we distinguish these things, so that time it is required, the feature is important. The feature nothing but characteristics within that image. So on the basis we can extract that. So there is a, we can use the feature technique. So Gaussian's method, there is a statistical method is used for to take the information. So on the basis of your statistical data, and when using the Gaussian's method, so we can on the basis of features, so we can identify whether that image, both of the image are similar one, both the person having the same eye or not. So that purpose is we can recognize your iris system. So when we can use many ways, we can use segmentation, many ways we use the Gaussian's method. There is the normalization, various normalization method is used. So when we can normalize, so once iris segmented, next step transforms region to fix the dimension or order the allow to comparison. And verification, I like the people, dilation and inconsistent iris, a normalization is needed. So when we can use the features, that is we can including. So gapper filter is very important when we can use the many author people are work for that. It is filter techniques. Nothing but whatever the image you got that, so it require should be the filter that. So on the basis we get the statistical data. So on the basis recognition is a very easy, we can detect for that. So on the basis of technical point of view, there is a statistical, there is a many way we can write the coding. So when we can design this software, when we can design my system, so there is a required the MATLAB. On the basis there is a standard database used. So in a standard database there is a Chinese Academic Science Institute of Automation, that is a CASRA. So there is a database 756 grayscale eye images available, and 108 is a unique size class is known as 2 session. So in this many database available. So we work with standard database. So there is a 756 images there, so we can detect them. So on the basis we can find out what is the thresholds value on the basis of the first database. So on the basis of we can fault acceptance and fault rejection rate. So on the basis of we can find out so whether your image is accepted or not. So when we can use this system, so there is a somewhat level of disadvantage. So accuracy changes when a user height of the illusion of image of quality. Most of things when we can use the detection of your ID. So most important thing is there. So whatever the database there, it's a high quality of images required. But there is a drawback is there. Suppose the image is having the very poor quality. So that time it's difficult to detect there. It's difficult to recognize on the basis of statistical data, on the basis of Gaussian's method. It's a difficult one. The person need to still difficult to scan if he not cooperated, risk to fake iris lenses. So there is a many in market, there is a fake lenses also is available. So people misuse of that. And there is another thing that when somebody can alcohol consumption causes a deformation of iris pattern. There is another disadvantage when you use iris recognition. Somebody consume the alcohol and we take the photo of that one. We take the images, so that time there is having the causes of deformation of your iris pattern. So that is a very difficult one that. So I am conclude about my related iris recognition. There is required high quality accuracy is required. We need some development, fast access, so we can recognize your iris recognition. And we work for the many way we can in future we plan for that. We can use the automatic recognition system by using the neural networks. So in that way we have to work on a iris recognition system. So by using the Gaussian features. Thank you so much.